Hello and welcome, friends. We are happy to announce another new service from Param Dsoft. Are you a new trader in stock market, attended many seminars, learning new strategies but don't know what to do next? Or you are a self-learner watching YouTube videos, learning new strategies but how to implement them? You are trading from many years but still emotionals are not in control and want to do systematic trading but don't know where to start. Or you are a successful trader, already have working strategy, still doing it manually and want to trade large and with multiple stocks. So Param Dsoft offers custom strategy coding. Yes, you heard it right, custom strategy coding. Save months and years of your life searching for new products and learning new languages. Get your dream strategy coded in just 5,000. Go to paramdsoft.com/must and purchase custom strategy coding at 5,000 today. Let's see how it is implemented and how it is done in your PC. This is MT4 trading and charting application, in which this is the market watch that we are showing. This is the navigation pane in which you will get indicators, and expert advisor. Param Dsoft can help you in writing custom indicators or expert advisor. Here we are showing the already written sample trading strategies which can be applied on multiple time frames, monthly, weekly, daily or intraday. All the strategies have both the options of regular order or bracket order. The same strategy can be applied to any number of stocks, whether it be cash, F&O, options, currency or commodity. Every strategy will give you alerts at all the price points so that you can manually check that everything is working fine. It will be graphically plotted on your chart and it will show you the levels of target, stop loss and your trigger price. You can run same strategy on different stocks with different parameters, or you can have different strategies for different stocks altogether. Everything that you can possibly think of in a strategy can be coded by us just for you, including stop loss, target, trigger and timeout. So my friends, what are you waiting for? Just go to paramdsoft.com/must and get your strategy coded in 5,000 only.